Now we're going to get into a little bit of the verb ser, which means to be. We are going to mention it so that we can start conjugating it and get used to using it in this course. Now here's a chart about the verb ser. So first person, starting out top left, we're going to do yo soy, I am. Then tú eres, you are. Usted es, the formal you are. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Or just es, it is. Now in the plural, nosotros somos, we are. Second person plural, that's where vosotros would have been, but as we mentioned, we're going to ignore vosotros in this course since most of you will be interacting with Latin American patients versus Spanish patients, and so it's better just to ignore it at the moment to not confuse you further. So third person plural, if you wanted to say you all are, you would say ustedes son, or if you wanted to say they are, a group of males, you would say ellos son. If it was a group of females, you would say ellas son. Or if you just want to say they are, you would say son. Common uses of this verb. So this is probably at the beginning of learning Spanish what you will use the verb ser the most for, so it's important to learn this. So if you are ever talking about occupation, what someone does, you are going to need to know the forms of the word ser. So here's an example. Alejandra es doctora. Alejandra is a doctor. Origin. So where is someone from? Miguel es de Mexico. Nationality. Carolina es puertorriqueña. Religion. La señora Beltrán es católica. So origin, nationality, religion, all different ways to say, to be, the verb ser. So it's really important that we learn that. And I apologize, there are a few accents missing on this slide that I just noticed. So please don't go by the spelling of these words. Now, we have some vocab in this lesson. It's also in your book. If you want to refer to it in your book, it is on page 19 of your textbook, but here we have it in the. So I'm going to just say these words. If you could please repeat them if you're at home taking this course. Just repeat after me so you get used to speaking Spanish. El cirujano. La cirujana. El consejero. La consejera. El dentista. La dentista. El doctor. La doctora. Oh, another way of saying the same thing. El médico. La médica. El enfermero. La enfermera. El farmacéutica. Oh, sorry, I said the wrong one first. El farmacéuta. La farmacéuta. Or there's another way of saying the same word. El farmacéutico. La farmacéutica. El nutricionista. La nutricionista. El profesor. La profesora. El psicólogo. La psicóloga. El recepcionista. La recepcionista. El fisioterapeuta. La fisioterapeuta. Or another way to say the same thing. El terapeuta físico. La terapeuta física. El trabajador social. La trabajadora social. Or el asistente social. La asistente o asistenta social. It's just a list of different professions that you're going to come across working in the healthcare setting. I can imagine you could guess most of these, but if you need the English version, they are again on page 19, but I'll just go through them really quickly. So cirujano is a surgeon, consejero, counselor, dentista, dentist, doctor or médico is a doctor, enfermero is a nurse, farmacéutica is a pharmacist, nutricionista, nutritionist, profesor, professor, psicólogo, psychologist, recepcionista, receptionist, fisioterapeuta is a physical therapist, and trabajador social is a social worker. So that's all we're going to go over for today. So thanks for your time, and I look forward to speaking again soon.